Cable organizer. Tired of tangled charger cables? Just clip a binder clip to the edge of your desk and run the cables through the clip's handles. This keeps them in place, untangled, and ready to grab. No more crawling under the desk. 2. Toothpaste squeezer. If you're the kind of person who fights with toothpaste tubes to get the last bit out, a binder clip can be your best friend. Just clip it at the bottom of the tube and push it upward as you use the toothpaste. Maximum use, 0 waste. 3. Emergency money clip. Lost your wallet? Need to carry cash without folding it 100 times? Just grab a binder clip, slide your cash inside, and boom, you have a sturdy, no-slip money clip. 4. Chip bag sealer. Forget expensive chip clips. Use a binder clip to keep snack bags sealed tightly so your chips stay crunchy and fresh. Works on cereal bags, frozen veggie packs, and more. 5. DIY photo stand. Want to display a picture on your desk but don't have a frame? Just clip the bottom of your photo with a binder clip and stand it up. Simple, stylish, and free. 6. Key organizer. Ever have too many loose keys jingling around? Thread them through the binder clip's handles, then close the clip. Now they're organized and easy to find in your bag or pocket. 7. Bookmark. For thick books, paper bookmarks slip out too easily, but a binder clip stays exactly where you left it. Just clip it to the page you want to save. It won't budge until you remove it. 8. Razor blade cover. Traveling with a razor? Don't risk cutting your hand when you reach into your bag. Clip a binder clip over the blade, and you've got a quick, protective cover. 9. Toothbrush stand. If you're staying somewhere without a clean place to set your toothbrush, stand it upright between the handles of a binder clip. No germs, no mess. 10. Loose sock pair holder. Hate losing socks in the laundry? Clip pairs together before tossing them in the wash. No more odd sock mysteries. 11. DIY smartphone stand. Ever wanted to watch a video hands-free but didn't have a phone stand? Here's the hack. Take 2 binder clips, attach them back to back by interlocking their handles, and then rest your phone against them horizontally. This creates a stable little stand for watching videos, reading recipes while cooking, or even making video calls. No fancy gadgets needed, just 2 clips. 12. Headphone tangle preventer. Earbuds and wired headphones have one mission in life: to tangle themselves into a knot the second you put them down. Solve this by wrapping your headphone cord neatly around 2 extended binder clip handles, then close the clip. This keeps the wires straight, safe, and ready to use without the frustration of untangling. 13. Freezer bag organizer. If your freezer is a chaotic avalanche waiting to happen, binder clips can restore order. Simply attach bags of frozen vegetables, fruits, or leftovers to a wire rack in your freezer using binder clips. This keeps everything visible, saves space, and prevents food from being buried under piles of ice cream tubs. 14. Pen and pencil holder. Keep a pen handy at all times by clipping it to the edge of a notebook or planner with a binder clip. Slide the pen through one of the clip handles, and it will stay securely in place until you need it. Perfect for students, journalists, or anyone who constantly misplaces pens. 15. Toothpick dispenser lid. If you have a box of toothpicks but hate them spilling everywhere, here's an easy fix. Take a binder clip, remove one handle, and then attach the remaining part over the opening of the box so it acts as a small dispenser gate. You'll only get 1 or 2 toothpicks at a time. No mess, no waste. 16. Kitchen sponge dryer. Leaving a sponge flat on the counter keeps it wet, which is a breeding ground for bacteria. Instead, clip your sponge upright to the edge of your sink using a binder clip. This allows air to circulate, helping the sponge dry faster and stay fresh longer. 17. Travel toothpaste brush holder. If you're traveling light, a binder clip can be your combined toothbrush and toothpaste holder. Clip the 2 together so they stay clean and in one place. This way, you won't have to dig around your bag to find them. 18. Car vent phone mount. Need a phone mount for your car but don't want to spend money on one? Open a binder clip, slide one handle into your car's air vent, and then attach a rubber band around the other handle to hold your phone. It's not only functional but surprisingly sturdy for GPS navigation. 19. Picture wire tightener. If you have wall art or framed pictures hanging on wires that are just a little too loose, you can tighten them easily with a binder clip. Attach it to the wire at the back of the frame, twisting if necessary, until the picture hangs exactly how you want it. 20. Tea bag holder. If you're tired of your tea bag string falling into your mug, clip the string to the side of your cup with a binder clip. No more fishing the string out with a spoon. This small trick keeps tea time neat and pleasant. 21. Bookmark that no way slips. Traditional bookmarks fall out fluently, and canine earring runners isn't an option for book suckers. Rather, crop a small binder clip to the runner you last read. It stays put no matter how your book is stored, in a bag, on a nightstand, or indeed upside down. You'll no way lose your place again. 22. Razor blade protector. For travel. When packing razors in your trip bag, the blades can cut through fabric or dull snappily. To help this, crop a small binder clip over the blade. It acts as a safety guard, guarding both the blade and your fritters while digging through your bag. 23. Mini plutocrat clip. Why carry a big portmanteau when you just need cash and a couple of cards? A binder clip can come an instant plutocrat clip. It's slim, featherlight, and keeps everything together without adding bulk to your fund. 24. Cable management. For your office. Messy cables from your bowl, mouse, and keyboard can ruin a clean office look. Attach a binder clip to the edge of your office and thread the lines through the clip handles. This way, they stay in place and don't fall behind your office every time you open commodity. 25. Chip bag sealer. Still, binder clips can keep them fresh if you don't finish your chips in one sitting. Roll down the top of the bag and fix it with a binder clip. It's watertight enough to maintain crunchiness until your coming snack attack. 26. Picture frame stand. Do and have a stage for a small picture frame? Open a binder clip and place it behind the frame as a support. It works unexpectedly well for small office prints or published art. 27. Keyboard drawing. Coadjutor. Dust and motes in your keyboard can be annoying. Wrap a small piece of double-sided tape recording around the end of a binder clip handle, and also use it to dab between the keys. It picks up dirt and motes without demanding special cleaning tools. 28. Closet space saver. Clip 2 binder clips onto the bottom bar of a hanger, and hang another hanger from their handles. This creates a perpendicular chain of hangers, saving precious closet space for further clothes. 29. Trip snack holder. Binder clips are perfect for organizing snacks in your trip bag. Crop lower snack bags together in a single mound, so you can snare the entire bunch at formally without digging through your luggage. 30. DIY earphone holder. For office. Still, they can get involved or knocked off if you keep your earphones on your office. Attach a binder clip to the edge of your office and hang the earphones from its handles. They stay untangled, in reach, and ready to use. 31. Hanging toothpaste tube. To save counter space. Bathrooms often have small counters that quickly become cluttered. By attaching a binder clip to the end of your toothpaste tube and hanging it from a hook or nail, you not only keep your counter clear but also encourage the toothpaste to drain toward the opening, so you waste nothing. Over time, this hack saves both space and product. 32. Improvised smartphone stand. Ever needed to watch a video hands-free while cooking, exercising, or working? Take 2 large binder clips and connect them by their handles, then rest your phone in the groove. This quick DIY stand works in both portrait and landscape modes, so whether you're watching a recipe tutorial or a movie, your phone stays secure without slipping. 33. Instant toothbrush cover. For travel. When you're packing for a trip, it's risky to throw your toothbrush directly into your bag. It can collect dust, dirt, or touch other items. Slide a small binder clip over the bristle end. The metal arms act like legs, keeping the brush off surfaces, while the clip itself keeps germs away. It's compact, clean, and reusable. 34. DIY key holder. For wall or board. Misplacing keys is a universal problem. If you've got a corkboard, pegboard, or even a wooden surface, attach a binder clip with a screw or tack. The handles make the perfect hook to hold your keychain. This way, your keys always have a home, and you stop losing precious time searching for them before heading out. 35. Multi-purpose fridge organizer. Fridges can get chaotic, with small packets and bags sliding around. Clip binder clips along the fridge's wire racks and use the handles to hang small bags, like shredded cheese, frozen vegetables, or herbs. It uses vertical space you normally ignore and keeps food items visible, so nothing gets lost or expires in the back. 36. Hanging art display for kids. Parents know the struggle. Your child brings home endless artwork, and the fridge can only hold so much. Use a row of binder clips attached to a string or wire to create a rotating gallery in your child's room or a hallway. It's easy to swap out old art for new masterpieces, and it adds a personal touch to your home decor. 37. Binder clip curtain clamps for outdoor events. If you're hosting a picnic, outdoor party, or camping trip and need to secure fabric, like a tablecloth, picnic blanket, or even a makeshift curtain, binder clips can clamp it tightly to poles, tables, or ropes. They resist wind far better than tape or pins, making them a dependable outdoor tool. 38. Earbud storage that never tangles. Tangled earbuds are a daily annoyance. Wrap the cord neatly, then clip the ends together with a binder clip. You can also tuck the jack into one of the handles to prevent it from dangling. The result? No more frustrating knots or wasted minutes untangling before a call or workout. 39. Vertical drying stand for small items. Small, delicate items like sponges, paintbrushes, or even makeup brushes need airflow to dry properly. Stand them upright between the arms of a large binder clip so that air circulates all around them. This prevents mold, extends their life, and keeps your countertop clean from water stains. 40. Emergency handle for broken zippers. We've all had it happen. You're in a rush, and your backpack or jacket zipper pull breaks. In seconds, a binder clip can replace it. Simply clamp the clip onto the zipper slider and use its handles as a makeshift pull. It's surprisingly comfortable to use and can last until you get a proper repair. 41. Cable management system for divisions. Messy lines are the silent adversary of productivity. Attach a row of binder clips along the edge of your office, and feed each string through the Essence handle circles. This keeps dishes, USB lines, and headphone cables organized and fluently accessible. No more crawling under the office to find them. For redundant neatness, marker each clip with a marker or sticker so you incontinently know which string is which. 42. Makeshift plutocrat clip. Still, a binder clip can act as a slim, minimalist plutocrat clip if you do end like carrying a big portmanteau. It holds cash and cards securely in your fund, perfect for a quick trip to the store or a drill session when you need to travel light. Plus, it's sturdier than paper clips and less likely to bend. 43. Mini bag sealer for snacks. An open chip bag is an open assignation to banal snacks. Use a binder clip to reseal the top of the bag. It keeps air out, newness in, and works better than twisting the bag or using rubber bands. Keep a mini in your closet for chips, pasta, rice, or coffee bags. You'll be surprised how handy they are. 44. Clip-on car air freshener holder. Still, attach them to your auto's air reflections with a binder clip if you have small air freshener packets or scented cards. As the air flows through the articulation, it spreads the scent throughout your vehicle. It's a budget-friendly solution to precious ingrained holders, and you can change scents whenever you like. 45. On-the-go form holder. In the kitchen, cooking while following a form can be messy. Binder clips can hold form cards, published wastes, or indeed a tablet upright. Simply attach the clip to a press handle or a cookbook stage, keeping your form eye position and down from tumbles or splatters. 46. Produce a mobile photo display. Binder clips make excellent print stands. Attach a clip to the bottom of a published picture, open the handles, and let them act as legs. It's a minimalist, artificial-style display that works for work divisions, bedside tables, or event decorations, and you can change prints in seconds. 47. Clothing clamp for laundry day. When air-drying clothes, especially slippery fabrics like silk or satin, binder clips give a strong grip that standard clothespins occasionally can match. Use them to hang clothes directly from a line, rack, or hanger. Their firm hold prevents particulars from blowing down or falling. 48. DIY bookmark that doesn't slip. Unlike traditional bookmarks, which can fall out if you toss your book into a bag, binder clips grip the runner forcefully. Simply crop it to the top or side of the runner you're on, For an redundant particular touch, you can embellish the handles with washi tape recording or makeup to make it more visually charming. 49. Binder Clip Tool Organizer for DIY systems. Small screws, bolts, or nails tend to roll away when you're working on a design. By trimming a binder clip to the edge of your workbench, you produce a little vessel in its handles to hold them temporarily. It's a great way to keep rudiments within reach while precluding mess or loss. 50. Exigency Picture Frame Repair, Grand Finale Hack. We've all had frames whose back panels wouldn't stay in place. Whether the tabs have broken or the frame is depraved, binder clips are the perfect quick fix. Place them along the edges of the frame to hold everything securely. This system not only saves the frame from being thrown down, but can actually look swish in an ultra-modern, artificial sharp way. You can indeed leave them on permanently if you like the look.